Hello everybody, welcome to our channel. This is Caitlin from Shumatt, China. And today I want to share with you some of product. You can look at it here. This is our valve assembly. Yes, if you are interested about this one, please follow me. Let's check the details, okay? First look at it here. This is our reset anti-rust bags. Yep, and there has a label on the packaging bags. And the first line of the label, as you can see, this is the Shumatt logos. If you want to print with your own logo, you can contact us, and because we supply the customized services like the logo, the label, and the packaging bag, and so on. Yes. Okay. Below the product code, this part, it's the product code. It's F00RJ00339. Below the product code, as you can see, this is application injector model number. The model number is the 045120048 and the 045120049, 120045120090. On this part, as you can see, this is a QR code and other informations on the label. Okay, I thought it's time to open it to see the inside. Oh, this is the inside part. For the inside, there has a little bottle, and this can be better protect our product during the transportation. You don't need to worry about any heavy stuff will hurt our valve assembly. Yes, in the inside we also package with oil paper. This kind of oil paper can be better protect the product. As you can see, this is we not only seal in the whole side. This is a whole side, right? And we also seal in the separate part. The separate part is like this one. This is a valve cap. For our valve cap, we have the coating also with the curved letters. Yep. Okay, for the valve roll, we had different ones with this size. If you want the other sizes, you can contact us because we supply the customized services. Okay, that's all the details I want to share with you today. And on the channel, we have different model numbers, right? If you're not familiar with the model number, it's okay. You can send us the product code, and we can help you to check it. Also, you can download the app. And here, Caitlin has 3 tips I want to share with you. The first tip is clean it with oil. The second tip is make sure the valve cap in the right position. The third tip is make sure the valve roll can be moved smoothly. Okay, that's all the tips I want to share with you. Except that we also supply the injector, nozzle, repair kit, the pumps, the parts for the pumps. Yeah, any items if you are interested, remember to follow us at our channel and feel free to contact us. Okay, so much for today's product introduction. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye bye. Love you guys. Bye bye. See you next time.